to Dave Hammer TV. This is where all the action is. Yamama Kwaba Bium. It's a beautiful day. We are at the Sunset Hotel. Hana Obeda, Winya Hotel, Hana Obeda, Winya live band and Mre, a Jewel, Hana Obeda, Winya Pool. Esremi Sunset Hotel with Dinyame. What they say, one of these days, Uber Kumasia, Uber passing by Nwababeda Sunset Hotel. Many finest actress, Kani Gloria. And then Nayeshia was Sunset, I believe. Kani, Yamako Baba Dave Hammer TV so. Nabibia Woko. Wow. Aya Kasakesi, and I so one when I meet one Kasa, one Karun to be Kasana. Oh, because Mikai, campaign time, one not din. When you meet one Kasa, and as you now you hold it here, you don't talk.
Oh, I talk. Mikasa. Mikasa be more for the young voice. Once a casa and I be brain. A young voice, Nama sometimes a young baby. Okay,
Yamia Jumana or Yamo Aquaba, Bibi Aboko.
Yamiato, Bibi Aboko.
Nano baby mama. Oh, Nya Quenya, Echa, Senior Tracy Boache de Bar Bonte. Sini by Senna for see a cafon. Roll like the mountain. Were you okay with the role?
Oh yes, the role was very much okay and was a very decent role. Yeah.
So if it wasn't a decent role, you wouldn't have done it. I see. I had a role by now play because me now my busy to me cry.
I was a wife to Kwekumenu.
Now you Kwekumenu here. Okay. You just played as a wife.
Yeah.
Okay. You know there was no. To say your mouth robe, yeah, nudity, and now say robe, yeah, slightly porn now in here. Okay. Because what we mean? Any age is need try. Because to be a professional actress, there you should be able to do everything.
It's a lie. Your industry, you are so full of baby. And then I want to be fast script and commercial for so on your corner. To me for being Bremen, so some minion, chat nudity rule.
Now, Apostle, 1 year, comfort.
Apostle Prior comfort. Being comfort is different by being in nude.
Maybe at the end you tend to be a Christian.
So you can't be a nude, almost naked, and I almost half naked.
Oh, okay.
Watch I say. So we call nude in movies.
And you like
that. The dress and then yes. And Apostle, make me try movie a mayor, make me try movie a mayor comfort. But you know one thing, I am Metasha Christian movies. I think say
one of the stations.
One of the stations. We Christian movies more. Now anytime we make sure more Christian movies piano. So people move in Nimuna or play bad character crana. Ne dressing no. Dave, ne dressing no crana yana eye. The only thing I need base is bia obeke kanano. Bi obeshe neni. Washesha nensa. And on a better say nipano or co-wayward.
Okay.
In the Christian movie. So there's nothing wrong.
Okay.
And then just say, won't me play some dirty roles be and then just say you can. I am an actress. It's my juma.
Okay.
What you say? Me acting, but me make sure say me movie no. I thank God say I've been in the industry for almost 10 years now.
Wow.
I know the inside out.
Okay.
A juma me ebe born a calling for now. Excuse me. I will do it.
See, there's a Bishop Bernard Nyako.
Yeah.
Or no dear or no or say 1 year Sinibi will jai because Buano won the acting move.
Yeah.
So your time not the yenya major.
Yes.
To already will jai.
As a partner, you see.
So why you also not stopping?
Industry, yeah, with the hard truth. Be on to me, cassette was selected, but go free cry. But me to me who say a lot of people got to know me. Who is Kani Gloria through some movies. A lot of people got to know me through some things I was social media. I won't ignore the movie platform just like that. I will use that same movie platform to preach the gospel. Yeah. Obiane na ni swadi no. Bishop Bernard Nyako watena sie ho. Se osaba movie industry ni ma emboa na nyame so. Be me nso so matena sie ho se ye will ways and means bi o ha. Met me use it as a bigger platform of industry ni mo. E dia ka me nyame sem.
E dan na okra wo be wura acting.
Acting there me auntie and e di me be mo. Me uncle ye makeup artist.
Okay.
Me ba hanu so ko ye ejuma na me nene ko. Enti emu na me de ba movie industry no na. If you wanna manage China for ko ye ejuma, near printing movie posters, any those kind of. Enti no so bo am ma me hu directors be brave. Enti no so ka ho na edi mi wura ejuma ni mu mo.
Okay, oh dear director bia I want it to so no dance and all.
Oh, Debbie, me met like I said, na ejuma na me ye wo Bright City Media no. And no Emma me the bigger platform because now producers are kesi about I think Amagana Akuya Gege some movie posters ni banners ni na me na me because of ejuma na me ye nti no eboa me ha okay eboa because director na him say o ma me ejuma ni bi ye no so di ejuma ba at least cost no ebe ko from kakra na ejuma bi a me wo bia no poster na ye print ya producer bi oni bi anuse on boka because percentage bi ana ye de to so na me fan to so because movie na me I see he no stop boa me
wow ti wakasa me so she Canis outreach e be kan wa sempa e bi bu ani me bi sa gu achi na maybe how you even turned from your bad ways to now be a Christian. What started a movie? What has been your challenge so far?
My challenge me high industry media na enye easy because me be two squad bia na no den and from nowhere Babylon industry obi kwat me recommend on cast can the girl no about man me hu ne acting that yes movie be na waye ejuma be na waye intina from the beginning no na me nya ejuma bi e wo outer director bi bet me gina so aka say ejuma we na kan ya yentina ma hu ne obetuma ni ne on to me nya den enye nti from the beginning ne die me nya ne easy yeah me nya ne easy bra
intina odi wo ko dom Tracy watching
oh Debbie me hu Tracy through the movie industry
I say Uchina and a console de me
I think that Tracy Gra my first day I meet Tracy Kofi Asamoah said so Kofas Media
Sini be no dey try
movie by me I think say Amba yeah
Amba but Kofi Asamoah twa movie Amba
ache onye nasem
okay that time no nya Kofas
yes enye ne I think say Odietra movies 2 Odietra movies 3
okay
back on a buy back area boys and I'm near me committee Tracy was in the film movie in title this say me Tracy na George one fair guy so I think say Spain or France I check and a Kobulana and then movie na check
I see
but me nim say by so na men who there means me
Jaden ultimate hit ya can glory obi a be hu
me movie dey me ba lamp light here ya boatima
now you dey
me play lead role na me papa ni bigger quiz and I'm papa down for so ne kwajon cancer level and na Bernard Dusipoku epe me aware ne ma me so ni a chirebu a hwese wo mpene Bernard na ni mi aba ni Emilia Brobe e wo movie ni
okay
that is a movie shooting me de me ba out man go for home ya boatima
okay Canis outreach now you are a born again Christian an actress wo hu nyame e dey kwa na hu
nyame de sa wo hwehwe na abehu no dey
tinka ni na wo hwehwe
men hwehwe nti amen
all of a sudden what did you see
nothing you see say in life no adeɛ bi ebesi bia no it don't just happen say I happen no ya hyehyɛ to ho you understand what was say tama na wonya nhia wo yere no na no nche say we ni yire o na wo yire wo baby but emre na so ye no mu hia enye se mu hia ya na mo ware o e bi kwa mo tena kwa ni mu kakra intade bi ebesi wo abrabo mu bia no it has been planned, it has been arranged. Not the right time into everything about me, my life, my ministry right now,
ordained by God.
Yes.
These are sorry now.
Sorry, I'm
free
House of Salvation.
Oh, okay.
My pastor, a friend of Prophet Kwame Zah. Yeah.
You said so many times that you've done so many bad things. Maybe you've done so many bad things. Now you are a Christian. So, what are you doing to also bring people who are lost to the Lord?
The only thing I can do is to spread the gospel. And Ayana manager said, "Obi any before. So if the person sees me right now, I may spread the gospel now. Enye hard in many panel. Say near make an obey the obeti. Near me to me, I actually for free. We ask me, my break Christian said, and Quajana Menano, I will share with people. That's why I'm organizing a tour, the evangelism tour. Yeah, many meetings here, got all the 16 regions.
Do you use your life as an advice to people?
A lot. Sometimes, baby, I don't talk. Sometimes, I don't even talk. People talk for me. Yeah. Those who knows me, me swam at Bantama, me
a Bantama girl.
Yes. Or more money, so if I'm preaching
to the past.
At first, me be born again for the first 3 months in the day. Me easy. Na me share them soon. Me be who abrabo ani so. Ehu se baby ana me na enye. First 3 months in the bra. Me dada. Me super yare. But later on, a summer manager. Because in that, I'm much experience in life. I'm a mijina hona mekasa enya enna. I say no. I go straight to the point. I hate it. My uncle says, "Some again you can." I am not great because I've been there before. I've gotten the experience. And the me wa baby and wo. And the someone who experience amenya. Into some me compare and to Andra na me ne wo kasa. Utu obo say again you are come say. Yeah. First, Nana, I'm regretting my past. Basically, I'm very proud. Many chapa say, "When some dimia ye biya nane, mejinaso, edi kanya miyase."
Sometimes, are you being tempted to go back?
No, there's a major Christos media. No,
but you are being tempted.
But the cause situations be more to them because hey, coming from your bank and you with your we're simple cry. You see those kind of things. Ebia. Me here bibi me pressa na me nya de kodie me tell me say first I mean me me pa dey we just a single call nke beba then the woman ya na me ma so for ye kan ye dey ase me say obi attempt me say me sign go yes
no wo pe bibi wo nyame mu a but nyame so o mere di ma bibia but sometimes you want it by force.
No.
You tell me you can say Opadi bi na wunya because kabo biasa ka boss anu anga.
You see say
Zabeka.
As a Christian, as a born again. Fiti preocupa embeka say me a matured Christian. There were steps process bia. Upo you go through it. Na ashawoden. Inti mrebi bedu da wujina bebi na o kasa. Obi obeto wasemu bia hu ne say stay free baby neighbor. What do we make so be fanya me ji waji nyame adinti. Niema ha easy sa how. Never. Right, David. Because Edin
to become a Christian.
Jai to become a born again. Now you stay to your grounds. Say you know. Oh, Edin ba. ama ma lose enkrofobia na me fanesa I know me form so mo ye me papa me yeah me fanesa you could do maybe a sofophobia na me mo ye nice set me cassette yo
oh
but me cassette yo
ya popon adwuma na kamoye
Bible no na me de what ma me ni bi free e ma me mfa bi nka ho nya sa wo me be ka me nti me se me kwasa se me bie mu a ade na wo me free mani akan ne pepepepe na me de ama mo amuntie ni tiawa because me be fere wo wanim e ko di ntro wo nyame anim a na me de wa fans be me akatua na be ba me so no me ne be ba nti se me please ni papa ama nyame akese me de no
Abusia Kani Gloria ye actress Kumawood actress na as they say we are starting Kani outreach you know you be kan wa sempa you be kan wa sempa Kani na so far those things now can say no so what makes you push forward?
It's the Spirit of God. You said Abra Yesu we are okoshoni oso okoko ma yenanka obema ye chitafo onene mo gongon se eba yeso a ye be ye din na ye na dance for fi Judea kopim Samaria edikosi asase anu no enti so be ye born again na onye din na onye na ma meaning Holy Spirit no nya konsanya kan and the moment I was be kan Holy Spirit no automatically obaya nyame dance ni ebi na na dance ni fi Judea kopim Samaria asem no pompo de beko because you can't receive the Holy Spirit and live a comfortable life in your comfortable zone as a Christian. Never.
So those people living comfortably in their comfortable zones with big cars,
Bible say, "Usha Matthew, Abra Yesu comfort na mo pepo ni so na suya for ko na ko bisa ni say, Rabbi, e die na ye wo man ye to su mi no adanse die. First, I did rather catch us some share you know be under that. And many because we are different for the me.
So those living comfortably are different.
And your money now,
majority.
And it means because Bible said that shall not judge. Jeremiah 14:14 and rather say I try na give for the shame timunko.
Hey,
me nyame me nsuma won.
Difference not in quotation you say.
Dave, me nyankopon me nsuma won. Bible nyam na mtro ye kan go na nyam dia ma Elizabeth wan betro Bible then na ye beto Jeremiah 28:9 Bible say odifo a wo hye asumdwe hu nkom e ma sankom hye ni ba mu no ono ni odifo no nyankopon wasra ne mo enti o ka nyam yasema na dia kompe odifo a wote ne naze any answer no ye wa wo benya na wafa
nti e dey not be quotations are okay
se masua
na unya meye Kristo di na uta kai Bible na unkai kwa
media me gift there if me collabo but along the line me benini ye family we bo me brasa ne tie no I think say honhom na twen ne ho and na esa se bibia woni mreti ne mre ne so ye no e wo so sama lo take ni position
one kasa ku school e
mi ankasa de ye woni tamane kamina baras
okay
yeah but kentampona mini when I'm go school here bibia tiniwe na me ba Kumasi.
Okay, mo ye Christians
Me ba try
tuma me papa
evangelist
mama evangelist
yeah
na ko we watch
me mama evangelist. My mom has been an evangelist for the past 35 years now.
Say ne wo mabusu
yeah
nti no say mama hu a what does she see in you?
Is it the mama oda pa
tu papa so e
papa wo ex military man also
only onye nyame adwuma
Debi
only on one brother me boa
so Jaman
Kani Gloria, tell us about Kani's outreach.
24th August is my birthday.
Wow.
It's nice now.
Wow, late 30s.
Hey, Cassia and
early 30s.
Cassia and Penism na yamina.
Wow, late 20s. I think I'm 30.
Obiti was say
whoa.
Yes.
Wo babasa kesi we.
Okumuni me ba tima de omo fa me nya hwe o.
I see.
Mama ni me na ya mo ye kani na. But my baby am metina ye. E for master do justice mo. Omo ni me. Kete. But just like so ba wo na umo abie.
Okay. So what am saying?
It's about two strong boys.
Wow. Don't remember me two strong girls.
But me man omo ye difo.
And me man omo so nya difo. Hey, yeah, Christopher. Hey, they say you better me free mo. Yes, yeah, Christopher.
Hey, yeah, from mo. Yeah, Muntina Ebreye Hiamo. Canis Outreach, Sunday Kanka, 24th August, I am a birthday. So I sat down and I was like, no. Me check the previous years there, my birthday, me obi the kind of prophet. I do myself some me me who be oh my birthday. Into this year, my birthday, and I have to do something extraordinary for God.
Okay.
And then I'm organize it.
So what are some of the moments you can remember on your birthday? What are some of the things that you did?
The birthday, they said, well, you know, as a birthday, you know what
chill
happens.
Chill out town.
Party, chill out, challenge.
Kotsina club, Chuchaki, Namuni Memei, Namu club, you know, your birthday. When the birthday or club?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's aphrodisia.
They never walk a young never despite few opposite.
Good. That was my 20th birthday.
Good dinner nightclub.
Yes.
Nyamedi if you account for you. Good dinner aphrodisia.
Me 22 so me block band my high street here fear anymore.
Really?
Me close it when you know my 22nd birthday. Yeah. Bisa papa kuma se mo ne big girl kwesi mu. Oh. Kani my baby.
And this time around Nyamedi if you back account for you one 26.
There be me bro. They will buy about here me bro.
Into this time maybe obey day.
So this time no my birthday and I need to win souls for Christ. And then me organize the evangelism tour. And you call all the 16 regions.
Ish.
Yeah, you call all the 16 regions.
Can you do this?
I will do it through Christ that strengthens me. The Lord is my strength right now.
So where would you get the resources to do all this?
And on a problem, but me pese. And on never block me. Not quite to say me nisi cantino my restricted. No, you know one thing. Maybe I get born again and me share say me preach your air. If me tina some say me nika. Na me cast me go radio cry. My head higher rounds. Airtime me come my head into me tell me say no, I have to sacrifice for God. Dave, me use my accounts money now.
Yes.
Me use my accounts money now. Now me go to your airtime. So for the past 6 months, every month be me to 1,002.
Wow.
Emma, I did share FM4 because when I'm preach every Friday, yeah. Now me yes for 6 months.
Really?
6 months. 6 months, 2 weeks. Me call a woman before say, Madam, me tio pa na nyame dia come atoma so say men sponsor. So since then up to now, my grace on our here me airtime mama.
Wow.
You see it is a metina se ka say sika ni ho. Me relax carpenter say menye sika. You see always God wants you to start up with something. Na nyame so be so no. So I'm believing God for a divine intervention on this evangelism tour. So meaning say me sha sia. Irade yo no na adwuma obehwe na adwuma.
Kani Gloria to tour 16 regions in Ghana.
Yeah.
16 regions.
Yeah,
ahead of your birthday.
Yes.
Kani's outreach. So platforms are what the Kanyamiasem maybe day.
Every Fridays me preach on Adisha FM 99.1. At the same time, wait to catch me Facebook Live. Gloria Kani. And I said, wait to follow me on Instagram. Kani Gloria, me preaching is name Bibia and I also pay me full preach now, but ubenya full message now. Subscribe to YouTube, Kani's ministry.
Okay.
Me preaching is Bibia or Kotie bi and Tieni Keke and Kotie say yes, Kani preach it. No, Peki Bibi free some now what's in never bra.
Wow.
Yeah.
Kani Gloria and any didn't come live with Dave Hammer TV. So Yabeba Nawarie. The mamienu bema wone no wo ye bema o klemu akwada no e won sensem bebre ye beba so ye twan ho abasisi a ye ba ye beto aso Kani Gloria any di come. Don't go anywhere. welcome back to Dave Hammer TV. Kani Gloria is here, and that's what Bisama said. You see me or daddy.
Me buy my order tilapia so dem makasa sa impada.
I said Christopher dem come on wait tilapia.
Christopher na tilapia you as for there.
Christopher dem say come on.
Monyu no say no.
Monyu mano sa. How would they be? We're still live at our Sunset Hotel. Can you see? Mpacho mo fa tilapia no brand ma boy na. Kanina so far Kani's outreach saying na yebe pese yebe boa dwumadi because you call commercial break na man for bisa kwan o mefa so a omo so e bia omo pese omo eboa dwumadi ma no koso a. How do they reach you? Do you have an account number bi wo de tuju na say mobile money bi na wo pese wo de tuju na obi le say oboa wo push
one de me hia mo apa teach you outreach ya ko nyina de bi any instruments any instruments but ye ko nti many asofofo bi no makasa ye drop area na we do instruments amaye ye kanya misom ni wi akra ye benya no na ya handle no over edi omo ama na ya ko area foforo nti so obi betumi support here with instruments ye be kanya mi asema mini meeting enka ye ni beje pa afen so Dave 16 regions wa woni enya adeketwa ye ni ka ye de be ko baby o kwa ye ni mo bia but ye ko kanya mi asem because Santa Peter mo ne po mo nyina ye omo ko kanya mi asem wo baby o mo ni mo bia but omo ko nti yan kasa ji ye ni mo bi wo ha ansa na yakọ dabi ewade asoma ye nti ya purpose ne say bedu December na yetimi ato all the 16 regions ayeden every nti obi person sponsor Kanis ministry me number no eye 0543
0543
960
960
903
903
0543 960 903 nipa ne framia no benya me personally na emwa bi anankomo bi o bi anana oni me edi
but your mom friends in the pill we the yesika being an actress where people harassing you like that on social media me pel me person
Jana ma be fanya me kra de ayetan
no mu say
jana afena ma hu say Ghana for me ma pem na omusuo nyame
I see
Dave
tell me more
say Emma ebetie mi a say girls na yes so this time no Mrs. Romo
baby we so pesle queen
enya no kreda emo mo bu mfune it's not like my friend nyame me chese me na me ye but experience I mean this time no me hu se me ma so mo wo ma omo ni omo twempena edi omo genchia ne mo so ye po ba de kawashe na e me ma po ba wo suo nyame Dave Jai obi frame me ni because e kan why ya jama ma hye me ye mo de me ba no say kaka me wa me nya just entu be fanya me na wa fanya me de dada na ma wali awi anse na wa fanya me just ashina also to nim se me message was ya
so worry
go train Dave Jai slave queen ne dear Snapchat mo be here they be post you ne mo pass for better for worse
on fa
don't mema na on fa wo ko
do be tata
where's the miss bi be ba mo be break here nti say nipa no o ti say wa ware go so wa ko ware decent person bi o ti baby obi a onya popular obi a only into show base obi a onya public figure na wa ko ware no na wo na we public figure na fi say o ya star na nkofo ni mu na o hu na ho ofe wa be ko ho je wasi ko
number ni Kani Gloria number no ene watch screen na se yes rew ye hia emwa e dia ko 16 regions e dia support nyame adwuma Kanis outreach e hu t-shirt kwa kakra ye ntua nwie ya print t-shirt bebre e de be ma amanfo ye ntimi ntua nka nwie nyame adwuma e na hweye na wo de ayeden akoso mo miemmo ye nua ba no because she's doing a worthy cause on her birthday obese okọ 16 regions e wo Ghana ha na almost spreading nyame asem tino mpacho number no ne go screen as mobile money 500,000 2,000 3,000 ɛdi bɛtɔm instruments na yɛde aboa yɛ nuabae na ne dwumadie no so a ɔyɛ no akɔ n'anim saa na yɛntumi ansɔpɔto program pɔnsa a ɔsan n'akyi no Pastor Alewa what do you say on sandwich
over pɔnsa ɔbɛba back o
hey saa can he entino abro why is he claiming the baby say Nadia
Dave, I don't know a whole lot say you try to be as so
oh was up back some cash
media mo do nyame na o ka kire me
okay
o ka kire presenters bi o Kingdom FM
okay
say o mo kan chame so me and I was like media I've forgiven him everybody crying him say ni hu be there I don't hold anything against him but my family no mo so mo dey never court and then I can't stop yes me stopping my family because say we and no be ko YouTuber nipa na say can ni cry sa ne ba no kra no nipa ne wo no no odi na koma nipa fofo na be ma na ba eye nim bu asesem re eye na mo say actresses ye ntumi nware these are some of the things so wa koye sa de we de akuma nim ase o enti obi ba peme kra na wo ba me nchen no hu sa de we fa me ho a adwebe no benya ma me even say wo peme no de me ko na busu mu kra na say na family ni be receive me so enti eye na actresses ye negative stories no a higher pa but what will you do what be a public figure we yet then obi betia won na so because some way somehow maybe what you be na so some time ago into me this time afa bibia normal but the only thing they say I can't stop my family say mama family court okay because more than 6 times na my friend akacha me say what he's doing or disgracing me for nothing because many won't tell me I'm a Dave Makoti na will be in chain 1 year I'm a nipa de kasa me nko from abusu ya formula enya sa bibi ye me a baby a wode befa me ko ye na kolabo ne se mamba bi na me ko hia me bai papa wo kentampo so bia di me ni me bai papa story ya tena se ya cheye ne sister krase misua this is state me be pamo me na me nam window nso me kwa mesia ba me ba papa kwa me ne tena se kwa anim ansa kwa na me benye me first born
okay
nti akola na ye wodi ano every but asem na ba ya
asem
ni wu but eja ummene no afa na sa because nyame ni mu akoma so ade
wow say mo kasha
oh me
so like mo kasha
me ka the last time
I don't know any aka.
Madam for me who na see my menene koka. Menene ni nkomo bi yeah.
Okay, so when are you marrying? Are the men coming? Hey, send us here the end to be able.
Yes, I feel like me pesa me to me book because almost 3 years in many relationship will be
3 years?
Yes.
So how do you cope?
I'm okay.
Away.
Oh, Dave, I will be any baby.
Hey.
Your mindset.
June, July.
I think say.
Woman,
my second born, the grandma means a minimum. Me who is a minimum name 4 months, Nissan Brooks.
The Gumsa.
And ever since that, I'm coming, Papa, Menendada. And I'm at the war 11 months, 1 week, and it's a cry, yes.
Oh, one Gugu Swamo.
Oh, there be minute, and you be and I made it me the war here.
Then she has a man called on where do you know?
It's a lie.
Hey, no, they just a lie. Hey, can you?
2 years, almost 3 years in a day. Me no be any baby, honey, and I'm okay. I'm okay. Me nyame am me 2 strong boys.
Okay.
Makuma swade na say e ba bebe bo am na me hwe me na no manya baby asi. Aware no, well, means me kasa me ware me yo ba.
But to be bad now, Shena.
Yes.
Boga. Ghanaian.
Minim nipo ye me kunu. Ti da na me de me kunu bebre me a. Obeka so say glory a wukunu ni no. Me fa se ni otie bia.
But see adu bia ni o. Yes, go. Okay, mon pick number no na mo send your mobile money na Kani Glorious Outreach no. Kani's Outreach no. Your consistent regions e wo Ghana. Yes, remo a mo ani nua bai de ni so ade ko emrem. Yes, remo pa. Enti mon pick number no e wo screen na se no. Can it 2020 about to aba?
Yeah.
And yeah, that's what 2019.
I think next year 2020.
Yeah, yeah, system. And your impact wa brabo.
Oh, then.
Say system we na wade hu nyame o.
Oh, then.
Yes, system na na do ba na hu nyame.
Anya na na do na mama hu nyame.
Say system we bi asesa.
E wo nyame hihye mu say.
See system.
This time.
Change over. A changing over. And nyame a changing over.
No, man, no crowd. We're changing over na me. My personal life will be changing over.
And then reflect your life.
And
reflect your life. And reflect your life. Free SHS.
Stop it.
Say nkwara nya go school free.
Why na say nkwara nyina? You see, omo kan no ma generalize nkwara nyina. Why mu nyina?
Say
SS2, SS3 they still pay fees.
Say bedroom. Say bedroom
also benefit. Nti nya nkwara nyina eno so kwa no. You sign the grade NFA. But I shall say na ye ba na yes me ba nkwara nyina be go school free. Ye ba bedu we na.
This is a good area.
What is the Gebia, or area, yes, or blue or say green or mobile fear to them.
Green, sir. One year, I did own our council. Oh, so send me evangelist, me chantry. A young Quadano, Yentio Muscu, now money, send no money.
Dave, no money, but this time with the bear double. Imagine what fiscal mobile to nephew 3 months. If you be a bit
to the reflective like you change over.
And your mammy piana. Obeka me babeti na fie bosu me miensa ma me be classes bi ma ne nko to sa bosu bi obia enko na bebrebe ni nam fie sa adan me.
So what is the greatest change you've ever had in MPP's government?
In MPP's government
the greatest change that has reflected in your life.
Me being a born again was ordained by God and the set time was due. It's never
2020. Who are you?
Even some papa Mahama na teso kra nya Mahama emreso na mama munyame.
2020.
Nyame emre na so.
2020. Who are you going to vote for?
Oh, Dave, that's what I saw to man.
Oh,
who should I vote for?
NDC.
Yes.
Okay.
Me a campaign my JM 2016. Abrana me nyambe hu nyame. Ma be hu nyame, ma hu no krenen entro. Ade nyane say.
Oh no krenen entro.
Yes, ade nyane say me bo ablabotene ne. Ebe so nyame ani. Politics first let me nim Bible mu nyama bebre. Politics intimi ma me go heaven. Who would do a politics ma mo go heaven.
Oh yeah.
It is a what the wada gini wa kuma nyina ko the politics achi. Na wo fu hu wa Dave wa so yeshe. Amochi wa mo second chance say Sambra.
Na amochi wa yan.
Good. Na mesre. So obi hwemi na wo yesofo. Obi hwemi na wo evangelist. Ebi aka me wo takra de momra. Mo ba me de me fidie be ma mo akanya mesem. Kan me wo sunwane momra mo ba me ma mo ba bi ada. Mo bia wo betumi di aboyen. Amanya me djuma na kwaso enye sika nko a. Obi wo ha owo fie. Obi wo meka mo ti abrochi wo si ni fie si sunwan kuma se. Akra tema esi ho. Obetumi afre se na ba ye kwa ye benya ba bi ada. Ade achi ani akoka ye nya mesem.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you so much, Kani Gloria, for your time. Yeah, that's it. Never say one make it time. But more than say, mo best send you a momo no here pa. If I'm more in your bar, the number na is scrolling our screen. I say no. Yes, Remwa. Can you number you?
My number is 0543
0543
960
960
903 0543 960
Thanks so much. Thanks to Sankofa Moments. Thanks to Sunset Hotel. Thanks to N in Black Shoes. Thanks to DH Entertainment. Keep on subscribing to the channel and click on your red button and always get the action. Your friend me Dave Hammer. Kani Gloria. Okay, your first one baby so. And friend and call catches me feel na me pel na that be yes. Yeah, please can you support to you nearby. The moment you want me adwuma see. Your friend me Dave Hammer. Odum do me ya. You be say enjoy the best of this show and may you be blessed.